This video demonstrates a test scenario for the PDD validation and testing tool, or VTT, in which the file submitted returns second-round business rule validation errors. We'll start by uploading a PDD file to the VTT. To do this, we'll click Choose File, then select our desired PDD file. Note that your PDD XML file must be in a zip file, and while your XML file may contain data from multiple pools and loans, only one XML file can be zipped and submitted at a time. After clicking Open to Upload, we'll click Test File to begin processing. Here you can see that the file passed first round validations in VTT. You will only be presented with the option to continue to second round validation if your file passed first round validations. In second round validation, your PDD XML file will be run against Ginnie Mae's business rules. In other words, VTT checks at this point whether the content of your PDD data is compliant with Ginnie Mae's business requirements. Here we click Continue Validation to kick off this process. Once complete, a notification will appear in your My Ginnie Mae inbox alerting you that processing has completed. When accessing the notification from your My Ginnie Mae inbox, you'll receive this pop-up, which tells you whether your file passed second round validations. We can see that the notification here indicates that the file did not pass business rule validations and therefore would not pass in SFPDM. Clicking on the link to view results then takes us to the business rule validation results page. For files that did not pass business rule validations, you will see the log here detailing the errors present in the PDD file. Note here that there are a couple of differences between the first round validation error log and the second round validation error log shown here. Unlike first round validation, second round validations can be accessed at any point in the future by accessing your My Ginnie Mae inbox and finding the correct error report, as was just demonstrated. Also, unlike first round validations, second round business rule validations are separated into those that run at the pool level versus the loan level. Specific errors encountered in this round can be traced to a specific pool ID or loan ID within the PDD XML, shown by these two columns in the error log. Errors that have associated loan IDs are considered loan level errors, like this error here. And errors without a loan ID, like these 4 errors here, are considered to be pool level errors. A list of the types of business rule validations performed in second round are also highlighted to the right of the error log in the UI here. Lastly, note the column in the error log that contains values of error or warning. Errors are considered fatal and will prevent a pool from submitting successfully through SFPDM. Warnings are non-fatal and will not preclude your file from passing in SFPDM. This concludes the second scenario test demonstration. Thanks for watching.